Okay, so to make a side-by-side box plot, in the data column, select the two variables together. Don't drag them to the rows or columns yet. But so I'll select price and I'll select bathrooms in my dimensions. If bathrooms is a measure down here, you will need to make a copy and drag it up to the top. All right, so then I'm going to go over to the Show Me column and select this side-by-side box plot. So when I do that, though, for whatever reason, the default is this, but I need to drag the bathrooms up back to the columns shelf. Okay, then it gives me this view, and this is when I know I need to take off aggregation. So analysis, aggregate, and then finally I get the side-by-side box plot. Okay, so let's do another one, and we'll do it for floors. So I go to a new sheet. I have floors, and I'll control click and select price. Then I go over to the Show Me menu, choose bar chart, side-by-side box plot. It gives me just the one box and whisker. So now I'm going to take floors, drag it up to the columns. It gives me the single line, so I have to take off aggregation. And okay, and there you have it.